this video, I will demonstrate how to create a showcase for your VR tool. Okay, so first go to your dashboard area and go to publish, click on publish, then go to showcase. Okay, showcase. So after you click showcase, you can give a showcase a name. So in my case, I give you a demo. Okay. Then after that, you can go to create. Here you can add logo, you can add banner, okay, to your showcase. Are the VR tour that I have created, so I can actually assign them. You can assign them. So let's say assign field. Assign field, so assign this one. If you select V, it will show the VR tour. If you show create, it will select L, it will show the landing page. Okay. So for this case, let's show one landing page and two landing page. Okay. So after you have selected this one, then you go down to meta tag. So meta tag, you can add in meta tag. So this meta tag will enable people to find you in the search engine. Okay. But it does not guarantee it will be indexed to search engine. Okay, sometimes it can be indexed very fast, sometimes it can take very long. Okay, unless you do search engine optimization for it. Okay, so for this case, I'm not going to search engine optimization. Okay, so you can give it a title, you can give it a description, and you can give it an image. So when, let's say, if it's being indexed and the user found your post or your showcase for the search engine, you will see the title, see the description, also see the image. Then here is the embed link. Okay. For show as first page, this one, please put no. Okay, do not put yes. Okay, if you put yes, the admin will remove it. Okay, you will use your link. This one is your customized unique link for your showcase link, or you can embed your showcase by embedding this code into your WordPress site or any other listing site, okay, that can support, that can allow you to embed external link. Okay, so instead of using this link which look not so nice, you can also create a friendly link. So let's say I put here, this one is Alex property showcase. Okay, let's make it simple. Just put showcase. Okay, then I just click save. So after I click save, I can just use this demo link also. So now let's copy this link. Okay, then we click save. Okay, so after save, let's see how it is being generated. Paste the link here, enter. Okay, so it's here. So this one is a showcase page. So if you click on it, then it will go to the actual VR. Okay, so this one is a car. So the user just, okay, so this one demos title. Okay, so you can select the select my, you can order it. The user can order it by date, order it by name, order it by category, order. So you will change the order. Okay, view. Okay, so okay, so let's say I select this one. Okay, so if I want to go back to the home page, click on this go back button, then go back to the home page. Okay, so this is how you create a showcase.